Ever found yourself needing to reach your bank, like, right now? Maybe you're locked out of your account, or there's a suspicious charge you need to dispute, or you just have a quick question about a transfer. In that moment, you grab your phone, and instinctively, you think, I'll just WhatsApp them. It's instant, it's convenient, it's how we communicate with practically everyone these days. But what about your bank? Specifically, what about Ally Bank? You're not alone if you've wondered this. We live in a world where customer service is evolving rapidly. Traditional phone calls and emails are still around, sure, but increasingly, we're seeing businesses embrace instant messaging platforms. And for good reason. It's fast, it's efficient, and it allows for a more personalized experience. Imagine having a real-time conversation with a bank representative, sending screenshots, and getting immediate answers, all from the comfort of your favorite messaging app. Now, Ally Bank has built a reputation for being a forward-thinking, customer-centric institution. They're known for their competitive rates, their user-friendly online platform, and their dedication to providing a seamless banking experience. So, it's a natural question to ask, does Ally Bank offer customer support via WhatsApp? Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a moment to understand why this matters. We're not just talking about convenience here. We're talking about accessibility. For many, especially younger generations, instant messaging is the preferred method of communication. It's how they stay connected with friends, family, and even businesses. Offering customer support through platforms like WhatsApp can significantly improve customer satisfaction and build stronger relationships. Think about it, you're on the go, you're trying to manage your finances, and you need a quick answer. Do you want to be put on hold for 15 minutes, or would you rather send a quick message and get a response within seconds? The answer seems obvious, doesn't it? But let's get back to Ally Bank. They've certainly embraced digital innovation. They offer a robust online banking platform, a mobile app, and various other digital tools. But when it comes to WhatsApp, the answer is not a straightforward yes. Currently, Ally Bank doesn't publicly advertise or officially offer customer support through WhatsApp. This doesn't mean they're ignoring the trend, however. It simply means that their current customer service infrastructure doesn't include that particular channel. Now, let's explore why this might be the case. Several factors could be at play. First, security is paramount in the banking industry. WhatsApp, while convenient, isn't always the most secure platform for sensitive financial information. Banks must adhere to strict regulations to protect customer data, and ensuring the security of communication channels is a top priority. Second, integrating a new customer service channel requires significant investment in technology, training, and staffing. Ally Bank likely evaluates the demand for WhatsApp support against the costs and resources required to implement it. They might be focusing on optimizing their existing channels, such as phone support and online chat, before expanding to new platforms. Third, customer preferences vary. While many prefer instant messaging, others still prefer traditional phone calls or email. Ally Bank may be prioritizing the channels that cater to the broadest range of customer needs. It's also worth noting that the landscape of customer service is constantly evolving. What's not offered today might be available tomorrow. Ally Bank, like any other forward-thinking company, is likely monitoring customer feedback and industry trends to determine the best way to serve its customers. So, what are your options if you need to contact Ally Bank for assistance? Fortunately, they offer several other channels for customer support. You can reach them by phone, through their online chat feature, or by email. Their website provides detailed information on how to contact them through these channels. Their phone support is available 24/7, which is a major plus. You can call them anytime, day or night, to get assistance with your banking needs. Their online chat feature allows you to connect with a representative in real time, similar to WhatsApp, but within a more secure environment. And their email support provides a way to communicate in writing, which can be helpful for documenting conversations. Now, while Ally Bank doesn't have a WhatsApp number, it's important to remember that they are a digital bank. They are very active in the online space, and they are known to respond to customers through their social media channels. While this is not a direct form of customer support, it shows their engagement and their willingness to connect with customers online. It's also worth considering the future of banking and customer service. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative ways for banks to interact with their customers. Artificial intelligence, chatbots, and other emerging technologies are already transforming the customer service landscape. Imagine a future where you can use voice commands to interact with your bank, or where chatbots can handle routine inquiries and transactions. These advancements could make banking even more convenient and accessible. In the meantime, if you're looking for a bank that offers cutting-edge technology and exceptional customer service, Ally Bank is definitely worth considering. Their robust online platform, their mobile app, and their various customer support channels make them a strong contender in the digital banking space. And while they may not have a WhatsApp number, their commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in their other offerings. They're constantly striving to improve their services and adapt to the changing needs of their customers. So, to answer the initial question, does Ally Bank have a WhatsApp number? As of right now, the answer is no. But that doesn't mean they're not listening to their customers. It simply means they're prioritizing other channels and considering the security and logistical implications of adding new ones. It's also important to remember that banking technology is constantly changing. What isn't available today might be available tomorrow. The best thing to do is stay updated with Ally Bank's official announcements and customer support pages. Ultimately, the most important thing is that you have access to reliable and efficient customer support when you need it. Whether it's through phone, email, online chat, or even social media, Ally Bank offers multiple ways to get the assistance you need. And who knows, maybe in the future, we will see Ally Bank offering customer support through WhatsApp. The demand is certainly there, and as technology continues to evolve, it's only a matter of time before instant messaging becomes an even more integral part of customer service. For now, remember to utilize the existing channels that Ally Bank provides and stay informed about any updates or changes to their customer support offerings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.